was expanding. Even in the districts now, we have. When I was going to school in primary, there were very, very, very few private schools. You could mention Datus, University Primary, Achiwata Primary. You could mention on your feet Dansuma. There were few schools that were private. Now the biggest sector, expanding sector in our primary education is private. The claim is giving 30% of our primary pupils. And in that sector, their fees is even, most of them, the fees is even higher than our public secondary schools. And some of them, the fee is higher even than universities. I saw a private primary school's fees, and it was more than my year's salary. And they were taking it to 30-something thousand for kindergarten. It's called in Jowulu, so I mentioned the name. Very, very popular. I consider that by the privilege of where I'm standing, I'm one where they categorize the socioeconomic classes. I'm in the very high one, or next to the highest. And my salary can't take my child to that school, how much it's charging for KG. KG is it's about $30,000 US or something. Government cannot go and close that school because it's a private school. And the Constitution allows the people to establish within laws. Some of these private schools don't even run Ghanaian curriculum, which will very soon they'll hear from us anyway. And we haven't complained as a nation. When you come to the secondary sector, which has become a bit problematic recently. So we now know that the two levels, we don't have a problem. The primary level and the secondary. I haven't had headmasters of owners of private schools in primary running to me that we operate FQ, which is also free compulsory universal basic education, and they cannot thrive. They are thriving there. They are actually beating the public schools in the private sector. They haven't complained. They are the winners. So everybody is struggling. Even teachers in public schools take their children to private schools. So you are doing very well. 2 out of the 3. Okay. Let's examine the third one, which is secondary, that you seem to be complaining. There are private secondary schools that are oversubscribed in this country. How are they doing it? Should I give you an example? SIAT, Christian High, SOS, Temba High, Akosogo. I won't talk about GIS, that's a privileged one. These schools are oversubscribed. And they are in the secondary market. That is why our numbers is not everybody who did BEC and who passed, who was placed, went. I placed people in Holy Child and St. Rose's, and they left and went to private schools. The people, owners there are not complaining. But we seem to have had a certain category. And I think the best way to go about it is to come and sit down and dialogue with the government on how we can support. The Aluta won't help us. Because my hands are constrained that you have established your school. And the constitution that I have sworn to protect says establish and maintain your own school. Charge what you want to charge. And I'm doing the students. You just have to follow the law.